Here's how to instantly create stunning social media posts using PosterMyWall AI. Start by heading to your dashboard and clicking on the Create with AI tab. This opens a dedicated workspace for creating instant designs. Enter a detailed prompt, like a St. Patrick's Day karaoke night. Include the headline, event details, and your preferred style. The more detail you provide, the better the result. Once your design is complete, you can choose various options, like publishing to social media or adding finishing touches in the editor. You can also click Change Style to generate alternative art styles of the same design, till you find something that fits your brand. Once your design is ready, click Publish to share it directly to your social media channels or download it for later. It's that simple. Level up your socials with PosterMyWall.